So hey guys, I was in the midst of editing this video. Am I blurry? I hope not. I was in the midst of editing this video and I said, you know what, let me go on and do a really quick disclaimer, because y'all know when you are a DIYer and you do stuff yourself, a lot of it is trial and error. This was the most dangerous project we have ever done, and I wanted to come on and do a quick disclaimer because I don't want y'all to look at us and think this was something easy and simple, and I don't want someone to try it and hurt themselves. If we could go back and do it over, there are several things we would do differently. I know Cam and Christian, they were very excited to do the project. Cam wanted to do the cutting because when I tell y'all, my young man loves chainsaws and ladders and just being hands-on with a lot of stuff. He loves that. So, you know, he's in his early 20s, so we allowed him to do it. We were okay with that. But this was a new chainsaw that we had never used before. So there were just many, and we didn't read the directions on stuff. We are not people who read a lot of directions when it comes to power tools the way we should. So I just wanted to come on and do a quick disclaimer. If you're deciding to do any tree work in your yard with a chainsaw, I would really suggest that you contact professionals first. And allow them, or if you can't afford to have professionals do it, I would really suggest that you watch a lot of videos about it and get as much information as you can. We did neither. We just got into it, and I'm just so thankful that neither Cam nor my husband, you know, was hurt in this video. Our plans were initially to cut a whole lot more than we did. However, you'll see in the video why we stopped. So I'm not going to spoil that for you. You will see why we stopped. But I would just say, if this is something that you were thinking about doing, please do your research first. Have assistance and consult with your professionals first. Don't be positioned the way that Cam and my husband, you know, were positioned. You know, if you can, position yourself on top of the limb that you're cutting. I've seen a lot of tree professionals do that. I spoke to several who said that that's what they would do. But just don't do what we've done, you know, in this video, because you really could hurt yourself. And yeah, so like I said, guys, DIYs or not all fun and games. Sometimes things can be dangerous and you really can get hurt, and this is one of those situations. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are outside. Cam and the hubby, they're messing with the ladders to get them together before they get up on the chainsaw and start cutting anything with the trees. Y'all know I ain't get my butt up there. I was gonna cut this tree too, guys, and we still may, because I'm debating on whether or not I want to keep this tree. We're debating, because I know if we cut the branches off, it's going to die. And because it's just going to end up being another huge tree in the yard. But that's the hubby and Cam. So we're going to cut that branch and a few of them over here. Come here, Nana. Come here, Nana. So they're going to cut that branch right there and like 3 on this side. And it's going to be huge when they fall. And then when the tree people come to do it, they won't charge as much because we're taking the main ones off that I want off. But come here now. Now, let me ask you a question. What do you think about this tree? Because you know this tree is going to grow up big too. Should we go ahead and cut it down now? This one right here? Because you know that's going to grow up big too. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and get them. Yeah. The professionals are going to do that one. We're going to do what we can. But I'm thinking we should go ahead and cut this one too. So, baby, should we cut this one too? This one's going to be big eventually. Because whatever we do, we ain't got to pay somebody else to do. Make sure when y'all setting up, you're not putting yourself in front of the branches. Because the last thing we need is something to fall on you. Nana, come over here with me. Yeah, that's the first one we're cutting right there. So, you might want to put the chainsaw on the other ladder to keep it off the ground. Yeah. Because we got so much to do back here. Yeah, because you got to decide how you want to stand up there. And what side you want to be on. Is that ladder all the way right? It don't look like. Is it all the way up and click? Yeah, because you're cutting it at down here where it's on the tree. So you really decide where you want to, because you got to realize it's gonna fall. So when it falls, you want to be somewhere where you're okay. So baby, when that, when that fall, you're gonna be right there. So you might want to, I don't know, take it up some. So you're going to be right up under that, holding that for him. So when that tree falls, that's not a good idea. You should put it over here somewhere. So because you don't want to be, neither one of y'all want to be up under it when it falls. That's what I'm saying. Okay, boo. Okay. Yeah, you're going to cut that. But Christian, if you standing there holding the ladder, baby, you're up under it. And then because you don't want that branch to fall and be nowhere where it's going to touch the ladder. That's what I'm saying. You don't want the branch to fall and touch the ladder either. So, Cam, you think you're going to be good right there? Because you don't have to cut it all the way. You can cut it halfway and then push it. You know what I mean? I just want you to like see when you're cutting it, and then if you have to get out and get out the way, you do that. Because that branch is going to be heavy. And then look at the bottom. It's definitely going to touch the bottom of the ladder when it falls. So you might just want to pull back this way just a little bit. No, you need to cut it at the tree. You need to cut it at the tree. Huh? Because if you cut it right there, it's just going to grow anyway. You need... But still, you need to cut it as close as possible, because if we get it as close as possible to the tree, then, it'll kill it and it won't be growing back. So, but if you want to cut it right there, go ahead. Cut it as close as you can.
I can't cut right here.
Yeah, you cut that, go ahead. I don't care.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, we'll cut it. Okay, well, do you think, look at that tree when it falls on the bottom. Are you comfortable right there? You may need to come over and up some. Okay, wherever you want to cut it, boo. Do you? Or did you want to cut right there with a little, you see where they cut a little thing off before? Like maybe right there. You see? Like maybe right there. Look like where it look like it's the... You see where it look like it's like the elbow of the tree? Cut it right there on the little elbow part. I just don't want you up under it when it falls. And I want to say timber. Oof. Yeah. Okay, let's get her done. Now open both of those doors in the building. Like right there in the little elbow. You cut right there in the little elbow. I just don't want neither one of y'all up under there. Please and thank you. You get on my nerves, but I think I want to keep you for years and years and years and years and years to come. And years after that too. Okay. Just make sure you're comfortable wherever you cut. Get up there and see where you want to cut. And just make sure you're comfortable with wherever you at. Because even if you have to cut it at the little elbow, that's good too. And you can probably cut at the little elbow because we could use that little branch. I could tie Nana a little swing up there. You can cut at the little elbow. Christian gonna be on this side, honey, so you're fine. Put that leg down. But when you standing on it, it's gonna be good. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Nana, say hey to you too. Nana. Spider webs and shit. Say hey to you too. Nana looking. I'm looking any kind of way too.
I'm not you. I don't like being on there looking any kind of way.
I'm looking any kind of way too, honey. Yeah, you could cut. No, we're going to put you a little swing up here. Because, Cam, you could cut, like, right in front of you. That little elbow piece. You could go up a little bit if you want to. Because we can hang. Yeah, you cut right there.
I said that the first time. You said you wanted to.
And then I thought about it. I was like, you know, we could hang a little swing from up there. Yeah, we could do that. That'll be a good little swing for you. I seen it. We're going to cut it. All right. Yeah, you cut right there. Go ahead. If you want to. Timber!
How you turn this one?
The little thing right there? Yeah. But you know you gotta hold the thing too. Don't you gotta hold the button right there? Yeah, don't you gotta hold that? Yeah, you hold that. Well, maybe you don't hold it. I don't know. It is. Yeah, baby, I don't think you hold it. Look at the front up. The front up should have directions. Pull that again, because that's definitely how you crank it. The front up should have directions. You see it? Oh, it's the on button. Ain't that an on button?
Yeah, I already turned that on.
Okay. I don't know if we turn any of those. Yeah, that ain't it. Maybe you don't supposed to hold that. I don't know. Aren't these directions? Right here? What is this?
Where's the button? It's number 2 button. Nadia, go in my room on that black thing.
Ooh.
It's a mask that comes all the way down and it hooks up the ears, brings them. It's all black. You gonna see it. It looks like it's all black.
Oh.
It's a mask that goes from my nose all the way down to my neck. It's gonna have something that hooks onto my ears. It's in my room. It's on the black thing in front of my TV.
Yeah, that might be what you do. Then try it again. Hurry up, Nana. Yeah. Ooh. Is that what they say? Do push that? Because I don't know. Technical difficulties. Why Kimmy I get his mask and Cam, you might know how to cut it on. Okay, y'all, we got the chainsaw on. And Nadia took off running when they turned it off. Come here. What you run for? Y'all.
Right there under that tree, he gonna just burn it up.
What you run for?
Get me off that camera.
You cute.
Okay, but I'm right there under the tree.
Y'all, when I tell you my baby took off running when Kimmy turned that chainsaw on. Okay, so. cut off?
Okay, I'm getting a feel for it.
Alright. Yeah, because if you have to come out and go back in, do that. I can't walk up under it, y'all. Yeah, let me go on this side while he ain't cutting nothing. So I can get it from this side and say, timber! Because I think I'm safe right here. You put gas in it? You push the little button? Do we need to put more in?
It's enough gas.
You push the little button? Okay. Did it cut off or you cut it off? It is. You might like do it from the bottom too. Yeah, the same hole. Go up on the bottom. You know, at it. Go up through it. You know, from the bottom too. The tree definitely thick. Be careful, Cam. You need Christian to hold it, and while you try to start it, be careful. Yeah, not always outside, because she love to be outside like us. But when Cammy and Christian started that chainsaw in the beginning, when I tell y'all my baby took off, yeah, I'm talking about you, how you took off running. I'm definitely talking about you. Yeah, we're new to this chainsaw, so we don't know. There you go. Hubby figured it out. Whatever he told Cam to do. So whatever hubby told Cam to do, Cam did. Cut up under it, like get up under it from the bottom. Baby, what was the problem? What you told him to do? Oh. Let Christian hold it while you start, Cam. Like, come on now. When you have new equipment and don't know, so. Because y'all know we had that little plug-in chainsaw. We didn't need a gas one at the old house. Oh, I can see it. I see it. Yeah, it's coming. Coming down. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Okay. Now cut it all the way down. Yeah, you did good. Oh, he said give him the sledgehammer. He said, okay. All right. This one, guys. Yeah, that looks good. Y'all did that.
Blue one. Green Thor. It's the blue one.
He calls the sledgehammer Thor. Okay.
It's blue.
He said, nah, give me the sledgehammer. See, that's going to be a good little limb for the swing.
Yeah.
Good little limb. And then when the professionals come, they're like, touch it up. But we can get what we can get down, and they can just touch it up.
It's the blue and black one.
Because this is a big old... She probably see spiders. You know that baby scared. Yeah, y'all did that, Cam. Last night, Jella was like, Mommy, can you please have them go out there tomorrow and cut that tree? Because those limbs are touching my window. Jella ain't coming outside. Jella don't like the bugs. Them babies stay in the house. Cammy, y'all be careful swinging that. Yeah. You should have did the chainsaw a little bit more. Definitely did a chainsaw a little bit more. That ain't moving.
I ain't do the chainsaw because I ain't wanted to ricochet and snap, and I'm right here.
Boy, you should have did chainsaw a little bit more. That tree ain't moving. It's not moving. Cut a little bit more chainsaw. That ain't moving, honey. That ain't moving, baby. It was a good idea, but it ain't moving. No, he don't need the axe to be swinging while he up there. And baby, you just moved too, so nothing won't pop back on there one of y'all.
Where's the rope at?
I don't know.
So we was gonna get a rope.
We didn't.
Put the rope around. I can stretch it.
We didn't though. We didn't get it. So go ahead, turn on. You gonna hold it, babe? Maybe under it.
We're stuck.
The chainsaw stuck.
That's why I wanted the hammer.
Just pull it out. Just go from another angle. Hold on, let me... I don't want to walk up under it and it fall on my head because I'm up under it. Hold on. Let me come around.
Will I have to go from there?
Yeah, yeah. Let's just move it. Yeah.
Am I gonna have to go from this side?
Yeah. Just move the ladder and just do it from the other side and then it'll come on down. Yeah. Oh, damn, this damn thing heavy. Oh. The manual labor shit, that's for suckers. That ain't for me. I can't do that.
Yeah, I might have to. Okay.
You gonna have to. Baby, get your ass up on that damn branch for it. Say, let me fall because this man is up under me. Yeah, baby, get from up under there, please. Because that's making me so nervous. That looks good, though, Cam. That was a good cut. That's a good clean cut. It ain't choppy or nothing. Come on this side. Now put your feet on the other side of that ladder. Even though I'm gonna sit over.
Sit on the bottom step. Sit on the bottom step. Yeah, sit on it. Sit on it.
Damn, this sledgehammer heavy. Child. I gotta drop this. I can't. That's heavy. That's too much. Girl, that thing heavy. Your mom don't do manual labor anymore. I don't have it in me. I don't have it in me. That's why I have a husband and a son. I don't do manual labor anymore. I got 2 big men. Baby, move, please. It's there. Keep going. Oh, it cut off? Oh. Like where the tree just fell at. So just go up through it. And then just make sure you're moving it back and forth so the chainsaw don't get stuck in there. Just make sure you're moving it back and forth so the chainsaw don't get stuck in there.
I ain't trying to get it stalled out either, so
Yeah.
that's what's happening. Because it'll cut and it'll stall up, so I'm trying to.
Baby, move. Now get Cam the sledgehammer because I dropped it over there. That thing heavy. Baby, move. Well, you probably could help him shake it. It may work. Well, Christian, please get from up under it, though, babe. Oh, it's coming. A little bit. It's moving. See, it's coming. Yeah, it twisted like this way. Like that. That's how it did. Yeah, that's how it twisted. Yeah. Move now. See, it's, yeah, I see it. It's moving. Yeah, it's hanging off, y'all. Yeah, it's hanging off. It's about to come down. Maybe if y'all get on this side and just pull, because y'all definitely moved it.
With them big boots you got on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's. Turn around. Look up.
Oh, shit. I saw that big old spider web. That one next.
That one right there too, though. My one.
I seen it, yeah. These big old spider webs over the house. I can't do that, honey. Move now.
Hold on, guys. And Mama, you were just standing right under.
I know.
Don't hit yourself now.
It was moving better when y'all was pulling.
Yeah, it was.
Y'all should come to this side and just pull it. That strong ass pecan tree. That tree like, nigga, cut it out.
Well, I can cut it now. This,
Okay.
this right here.
Well, stay right there and cut it. You in a good space.
This out the way. Because once I get this out the way, I can literally cut it right here.
Okay.
Should I cut it right here? Like cut it here, cut it down? Yeah. Alright, there we go.
All right.
See, yeah, I can see what I'm cutting out, but this is
Okay.
yeah, so cut it.
Yes, because it should fall this way and you should be good. How you got stuff in your mouth? You got the mask on.
Yeah, it's little holes, I guess I can breathe through, but shit.
Oh.
It's wood chips, man.
It moved a whole lot.
Yeah, because I cut this little part, so all I got to do is cut this.
Yeah.
It might fall this way. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might fall back this way. I'm going to plan on that.
Okay. Y'all might be able to shake it because it moved a lot. You might be able to shake it now. Just depends on what y'all want to do. You can see where you're cutting?
Yeah.
Our neighbors knows that they had to come outside and look, see what we were doing. Mm-hmm. They're so nice. I love talking to them. I said I love talking to them. Oh, girl, shut up. There it go. You all right? The chainsaw ain't touching. How are you with the limb? It hit your arm. Are you all right?
You good?
Are you bleeding?
I'm good.
Okay. Do it hurt? Shut up.
If I wasn't holding on to the chainsaw, I probably would have jammed this finger in.
So we got that one down. Let's see.
That was a little too close.
Yeah. Let's see. You know he won't gonna fall. Shut up. Came out. That was a good cut though. It looks really good. That little piece right there, cause how the tree twisted. But nah, we don't care nothing about that. That was a good cut.
If I hit the line.
No.
Oh.
What line? But it don't make no. That's fine. We gotta cut it some. Yeah, you ain't hitting that. You want nowhere close to that line. That thing is over here. Come on, we gotta cut these other two. Those two. Come on now. I'll show you. These two. This one and that one. Yeah, that one right beside it. That one and that one. Yeah, and then we could start chopping it up smaller. Huh?
So why don't you just cut it like right there?
Okay, well go ahead. But I want you to do it so you can get two of the branches. But you know, really, that ain't nothing. We could leave that one because that ain't nothing. It's just these two things here. I'm talking about this one. The one that's over the house when the professional tree cutters come, because if y'all cut that, that's gonna fall on the roof. I ain't got time. And I don't want you on the roof because you will. That nah, you can't cut that. The tree cutters got to do that. But we could do these to save some money with what they're charging. We need to get these two cut. This one and that one. Yeah, because this one gonna be a huge one. Because there's so many branches that branch out from this thing. That one right here.
Talking about this one?
No, because that's just 2 little branches. This one. Yeah.
That's going towards that way.
Cut it. It's almost hitting the ground. Cut it. Who gonna get up there and get it? You gonna get up there and get it?
This is the shade of the backyard. Right?
Cam, cut that shit.
All the sunlight gonna be hitting right here.
Boy, cut that shit. It's too close to the ground. Cut it. Because we still got the ones at the top. It's fine. It needs to be cut. That one needs to be cut too. Those are 2 that needs to be cut. Yeah.
What am I cutting on this one right here?
I don't care where you cut it. Just cut. Yeah. And then we get the limbs chopped up to put to the road.
Or we could make a fire pit.
Well, we could do that too, but come on. Let's get her done. Well, come on.
I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna cut it at.
You could cut it right there, but you got to put your the ladder up there. Get the ladder and get it there, and then see where you're comfortable with being. Do that. Move the ladder and see where because you're the tallest person. Look, we can't do that. You got to get up there because you're taller than us. We're not gonna reach it. But you would know where you're comfortable at once you have the ladder there. That's what I'm saying. Cause yeah, let's just cut those 2. Cause the other ones we'll let the professionals do them. Yeah, just see where you're comfortable at. You should come back closer to the tree. You come back closer to the tree, so that's where you will be at. Cammy, I don't get directly up under that. You're gonna get yourself hit with that big ass branch. Come back closer to the tree.
It's not where I'm putting the light, I'm seeing where I'm gonna go.
It don't even matter as long as you cut it before them 2 branches meet the branch out. As long as you before that space, you're good. Okay, see where them 2 branches meet the branch out? As long as you cut it before that, you're good. So you got to get before that. Huh?
This side way thicker.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You need to cut up the bottom and then the top. So just see where you're comfortable and then start. Yeah. Wherever you're comfortable. Yeah. And that's going to be more for you to cut if you do it like that.
I'm gonna have to cut it at an angle because I'm right here. But if I cut it straight, it might push like you did again.
So that's why I said start from the bottom. Go up from the bottom. Like start right close to where you are and just go up from the bottom. Go up from the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, go up from the bottom. Yes. And then it won't do that. Just go up from the bottom, and then when you get a good way at the bottom, then go from the top to meet in the middle. But go up from the bottom first, and then move and reposition yourself and go from the top. And don't go where you're reaching. Go where your arms are comfortable. Don't reach. And if you have to come closer to you, come closer. Come closer. Come up closer to you. No, but I'm saying so your arms don't reach you. Bring it up closer. You're really in a good position, but go ahead. However you want to do it. You should have the ladder this way, so when you're sitting, nothing, the tree or nothing will fall. You should have the ladder this way, and you should be over it going this way. So you're like this, you're over it going this way, and you're facing it. Yeah. Because if you, yeah. Because if you had the ladder the other way, you would be facing it. Yeah, like that. No, keep going, like this way. Right. And just bring it back a little bit. And then you're facing it, and then when it falls, the ladder is not right there. So you're facing it once you're over like that. Yeah, it's good. Right, now you're facing it. Right. Is that good? Yeah, okay. Baby jots up. You ain't got enough gas or something. Do we got gas in?
Yeah.
Let him help you do it, because that thing is swinging so much when you're doing that. And make sure when you cut, you moving it back and forth. You want just moving it back and forth that much. I keep putting my hand in front of y'all. Child. Right. Whew. Sit down a little bit if you need to. That should be good. Don't just pull it and let it go. Don't pull it and hold it. Try cutting it off and cutting it back on. Good, how are you? You sure gas in it. Is the chain not moving? So it won't move that much on them. Oh, yeah, hold it steady. Baby, stand on the ladder. Okay. Okay. That shit coming. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Hey, I like that. Oh, yeah, I like that. Oh, yeah. Woo, the backyard already brighter. Looks better. I see the difference. Christian, you better stop. What is wrong with you? Stop, man. My husband's a clown, y'all. Move, babe. Damn. Oh, that looks so much better. That looks so much better. Yeah, just cut that other half. That looks so much better. Look at what he did so far. Y'all see that? Now you just got to get the other half off. You think we put enough gas in it? We only put a little. It may need more gas. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, babe, I bet it need more gas. That thing is empty. Because we only gave it a little swallow. Y'all crazy. How? And it won't on. Okay, the one arm action. That's what I'm talking about. Over. Pull it out. Pull it out. Christian got the ladder. You good. You just pull it out. I told you got to take it back and forth. There you go. Stop being dramatic. Get your ass down. You all right?
Good.
It ain't nothing hit him. He good.
You
All right,
good?
we good. We ain't cutting nothing else. Get down. We good.
Good, big fella. I need you.
Whew. Okay. Yeah.
Done?
Hell yeah, cause nah. We'll let the professionals do the rest. We got them too. The only thing we need to do from there is get them smaller. Just cut them smaller so we can drag them to the front for the lamb people. Guys, this is what the 2 limbs that we took down look like. That's a lot. Yeah, we just got to get these cut smaller. I wonder if any birds was in that nest. Baby, you think a bird was in that nest? If it was, it's dead now. Look, it's a bird nest right there, y'all. So, this just makes the backyard look so much brighter. I'm glad that mess gone. Yeah, I don't know if you could tell on camera how huge these limbs were. But, yeah. I'm glad that's gone. Cam, what you doing with the sledgehammer? With the axe? Boy, you better cut that with the chainsaw. It's on the ground now, Cam. You just cutting it a piece so we can get it to the road for the limb people. Boy, you gonna be hacking forever. Kid. Baby, is it on? Don't be all wild and cutting yourself. Cam over here being somebody. A damn bird nest and some type of damn big ass spider web. It do look like off of a movie. You should touch it. You should touch it. Cause I'm not.
Oh, it's 1, 2, 3.
And then it's a big old nest in the middle. Y'all should touch it. Touch it, honey. Don't. Yeah. Yep. Look at this fool chopping the ants up. Yeah, chop that shit up. And make sure you ain't splashing none of it on you. Baby, touch the spider web. What is you doing? Sometimes when you cut limbs off trees, the limbs will kill certain part of the trees. I wouldn't mind if it did. But when they come, because they'll be here later this month. I think it's like on the 20th is when they're scheduled. It's when, baby? 26th? Oh, okay. So when they come, they can get all these from over the house, because they're going to shave them back and get all this stuff from over the house. And then they're going to do the ones in the front and all of that stuff. So, yeah. Close her gas stuff up. So, Cam, I thought he had the bug spray. Did you take it back in the front? Oh, because y'all can close that building up. So, but yeah, y'all can even see me because I keep putting the camera down. But, so, and we're not going to mess with that tree. We're going to leave the other little tree alone. That'll be another time, another day at another time. Because, I ain't trying to let now one of my boo-boos get hurt out here, girl, because I would lose my mind, child. I would lose my mind. But they can't close the stuff back up in the building. Put the stuff back in the building and close it up. Christian doing most of it. The bug spray for them spiders Christian got, it was on that table. So yeah, he got it. We got to take all these cleaning supplies off this porch. Y'all, I know the quality in this video was crazy because I had my camera everywhere. But yeah, so they got those 2 limbs down, and both times they snapped back. So yeah, we're not doing anymore. We're not doing anymore. We're good with that. When the professional guys get here, because today is actually I told y'all what that was at the beginning of the video. So when they get here, because I thought they was coming on 20th, the husband says they're coming on the 26th. So when they come, I come back and I show you guys them doing the process with everything, you know, they're going to do to remove all the limbs from over the house. They're going to shave a lot of it back. But those 2 limbs that we cut were 2 of the problem limbs. So cutting those limbs are going to save us a little bit of money. I'm going to let them do the rest. Because like I told y'all, with these trees, we're going to do them in stages, because if we do everything at one time, it's going to be like $10,000. We're not putting $10,000 on no tree work. We're not going to do that. We just not. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you guys to life. I love you guys to pieces. Don't forget to always pray, put God first, love on those who love you back, and I will see you guys in my next video upload. Be blessed. I love y'all.